Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Everything Scuba Quick Tips Edition. I'm Lyell. I'm one of the instructors here at North Iowa Scuba, and today we're going to do a quick tip on mask straps. Mostly on the fact that I discovered on this particular mask, it's a sea dive mask. I've had it for a few years now. Love it. It's got the ray blocker lenses in it. Also, on a previous episode, we talked a little bit about prescription lenses, and this was a mask that I sent to Prescription Dive Masks, and they inserted some custom prescription lenses for me. So, love this mask. It's got a super soft skirt on it. It's really comfortable. And I was on a trip earlier this year, prior to the COVID breakdown, in Costa Rica, and I discovered that every time I tightened this portion, the clasp would no longer hold on to my mask strap. So when I tightened it, it would just release it. And so there must have been something wrong with the internal mechanism of this strap. And so I'm going to show you what I did. It's obviously a little bit out of warranty. I couldn't really send it back and expect them to repair it. Also trying to repair this. It can be done, but I really wanted to have my mask a lot sooner. So how did I go about fixing that? I'm going to show you right now. So guys, I got my old mask here and took the strap off of it. Like I said, this left side, there's a problem with the internal mechanism, so it's not grasping the strap anymore, and so I wanted to change that out without having to tear out the whole clasp. So if you notice, most masks have this little portion, this little roller inside the actual mask clip or tensioning system there. And so I was in our shop and saw these hanging on the wall, and so Aqualung has come out with a new product called the Fast Strap, and it's an elasticized strap that you can adjust the length of it and to fit your head properly. But on this strap, you can see it has this little clasp, and it fits perfectly into this location. And so if you push it in place, it snaps right on. Same thing on this side. Push it in, snaps right in place. And so now I have a strap, and you've got a different lengthening tensioner on it, so you can change it. I found this to be really comfortable, and in 5 minutes flat, I went from a mask that's not working properly, and I was concerned, to a mask that works well for me at this point. So guys, that was the Aqualung Fast Strap. I actually discovered it by accident, but it works really well. It comes in a variety of different colors. Obviously, I've got the black and white version on my mask because I'm boring, but there's lots of colorful options out there. Almost looks like you're wearing the mask that you would see on a ski mask. Very comfortable. And also, ladies, if you don't like the fact that your rubber mask is tangled in long hair, another problem I don't have, and you don't want to have to go out and buy a mask strap, then the Aqualung Fast Strap does real well. Retails for anywhere from $25 to $30. I've seen it. We'll leave a link down below for you guys to go check that out. But like I said, saved me in a pinch. So once again, thanks for joining us for quick tips. If you like what you saw today, make sure and click that like button down below. Make sure to check out other quick tip videos and other Everything Scuba videos right after this. Safe diving, folks.
If you like what you saw, smash that like button down below.
If you want to join us on every video, hit that subscribe button, and also check out these cool diving videos below. We'll see you next time on Everything Scuba.
Side mount's awesome. Just don't carry your stuff.